%40 of you have an answer. It's not frozen.
Frozen.
Good. I like how you're using the question in your answer.
No.
Remember, it says, what is an alliance? An is an article.
%73 have it answered. I'm going to put it up on the board so you can see. Now we have 80%. An alliance is two or more groups that help each other. An alliance is two or more groups that work together. An alliance is a partnership between two countries. An alliance is a partnership between two countries. So I like how a lot of us mixed it up. Wes, we don't have an answer from you.
Well, yes, I do. In Weston
What?
Parker.
Do you have?
I don't know.
Julie, are you in? Yes, okay. An alliance is an agreement between toward a common goal. So I like how some of you took question right from the book. The question, using your context clues, what would it be right from the book, Serena?
Right from the books of alliance.
Yeah?
Agreement to work toward the common goal.
Yes. Because you see the comma, or an agreement to work toward a common goal. Our next question is I want you to give me an example of two countries that are allies. Give an example of two countries that are allies. How would you want to start off this question, Daniel? Say it out loud.
Any country.
Two countries that are allies. Good.
Any country.
Think of two countries that are friends. Who's South Korea friends with?
Yes. Oh, we could do any country.
You can do any country.
Oh, what?
Make sure your countries are capitalized.
Two countries that are allies are Korea and
Where are you looking at that?
Okay, this is obviously the answer I was hoping that most of you would at least see and understand what we have going on here. We have that the United States and Korea, South Korea are allies. Okay, two countries that are allies are Italy and Germany. Very good. Okay? They were allies in, where's Olivia? They were allies in the Second World War. They were not in the first, though. We'll talk about that.
Oh, I didn't think so.
Okay, Judy's using the map to get her answer. Selena said Canada and France. Very good. Okay. Our next question. Luke, you're going to log on. Your pin, TLVQE. The next one, I want you to know which country would not be a part of this alliance. You have North Korea, the United States, or South Korea. Pretty easy question, yes?
You didn't know Korea. Oh, wait, I didn't. You did South Korea? No, it's not working. You put that for no. It's not working. Circle. Wi-Fi doesn't work. Wi-Fi.
Yes, that's usually a good thing to do. Wi-Fi.
What's the obvious answer on that one?
North Korea.
Korea?
You don't talk for Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is now working. Wi-Fi is
No, I feel the recent though.
Do they just reset the Wi-Fi for the whole class?
Well, mine works perfectly. Mine works.
Okay, good. If it's working good, then that's what we need. Now, I will share with you, Selena, you're sure you think South Korea is not the...
People make
On your... You should see what your... I want to see whose Wi-Fi is working. I've shared with you the...
How come mine works perfectly?
That's fine. Everybody.
Mine is working, but it's...
Did you log off?
No, I didn't.
Log off, log back
There
on.
are some very big, like my Wi-Fi wasn't working before and I've logged on like 3 times.
Yes, they just reset the Wi-Fi for the class.
Connected to the private.
That's why even mine went off. Okay, we are now going to read the first section, Nationalism and World War I. No, we're skipping that for today, because we have a big lesson on Friday, we have to get working. Okay, who would like to read the main idea? Olivia, the main idea. So identify from the paragraph. There's a paragraph in there, I believe it was up here. Says, what did the European nations compete for? So, in a complete sentence, on your NearPod, what 2 things did the European nations compete for? What? Yeah. Where?
Use the sentence. Remember, it's past tense. They did it many years ago, so your verb should be past tense.
That paragraph.
Okay.
Very good, just now. Very good, girls. Should take about 30 seconds to submit your answer. I have 56 percent turned it in, 56%.
Oh, wow.
Well, also we have a couple people who had Wi-Fi issues who signed in twice. So.
Me too. So, more like 30. I had Wi-Fi here.
Okay, I'm going to share an answer with you. Tell me if you agree. What does the What is the answer that I shared with you say? Actually, it's not. It's a lot of you. So a lot of you took this answer directly from the text, which is fine. What does the answer say, Giselle?
European nations competed for raw materials and colonies in Africa and Asia.
Absolutely. Those are the 2 things I was looking for. They wanted raw materials. Why would you want raw materials? Strength and power for weapons. What else? What? Manufacturing. Very good use of your vocabulary there. Instead of just making goods, manufacturing. Okay, so we see up here, most of your answers were the same. Okay? They competed for resources, colonies in Europe, in Africa and Asia. Analyzing cause and effect. How did nationalism lead to raised tensions? Again, what is nationalism?
Good.
Okay, and what are tensions?
Nervous.
Growing anger, growing nervous of each other. So how did nationalism lead to raised tensions?
What were you eating, gummy bears?
Yeah.
You think of the word tension, Mr.
Yeah, remember how you felt when I ate the gummy bears in front of you?
Okay. Read the question and answer the question.
It would be under the heading Growing Tensions in Europe.
Raise,
You need to use your text
growing.
to help find some of that answer. If you're not sure, you can use the text. National led to, not lead to. Selena.
What?
Led to. You have L-E-A-D, not L-E-D.
Past tense. All of these things happened in the past.